So, the introduction. Artists have been intrigued by the nature of perception and by optical effects and illusions for many centuries. So, it means, dagan ay, pila day ka centuries di ay ang na-create ani nga art. So, they have often been a central concern of art just as much as the themes drawn from history or literature. But in the 1950s, these preoccupations allied to new interests in technology and psychology. So kini day nga art di ay kay maka produce dinig effects kung maka-confuse sa ato ang insight sa ato ang eyes. So, these are the characteristic of optical art. So, when we say optical art, mo rin siya ang nag-confuse and flashlight sa atong eyesight. So, resulting images stimulate the eye and create sensation of swelling, warping, flashing, or vibrations, sometimes causing unsteadiness and after images. So, it means, kini di ang art di ay is, if makuan siya sa tong eyesight, mura siya mo flash bitaw, mura siya ang highlight sa tong eyesight. So guys, this is one of examples of distinguished artists and their artworks during period era. So the black rectangular shapes intersect each other's from various angles to disorient the viewer's perception of what is in front and what is behind. Even though the form are not stylistically rendered, the viewer interprets the image as having unstable dimensions. So, this is the second examples of distinguished artists and their artworks during period or era. This one is the zigzag black and white lines in blade create the perception of a circular descent. As the brain interprets the image, the alternating pattern appears to shift back and forth. The interlocking lines add depth to the form as it rhythmically curves around the center of the page. So it means, kini di siya nga art is ganang zigzag bitaw siya and then na-form din siya into black and white sa nga lines in blaze. So, this is the third one. This one is the duo 2, what we call the constructing warm and cold shades here create the ambiguous illusion of three-dimensional structures. Are they concave or convex? That is the question. So, the illusion is so effective that we are almost led to forget that it is a painted image and made to think it is a volumetric construction. Although black and white delivered perhaps the most memorable of images, colors also intrigued many of artists. So in conclusion, it challenges our visual perception. Artists intentionally manipulate visual elements to create illusion, can make objects appear to move, change shapes, or even disappear. It has a lasting impact. Despite its peak popularity in the 1960s, the principles of optical art continue to influence contemporary art, design, and even architecture.